Quick update, guys. I'm aware I'm wearing another white T-shirt here, but trust me, this is not the only white T-shirt I have. I have a bunch of them. All right, so I'm not I'm not wearing this shit again and not washing that shit. So I have multiple ones. All right. So we're just gonna do a little update here. Hold on. Okay. As you can see, I just passed it like literally right now. That right there. I only needed like a 150, but let me change my thing here. Took the trade right here. Yeah, pretty much very simple. Got an inversion right here. I didn't enter at the inversion because I could, but it's not really how I do things. But yeah, so did that. Waited for price to pull back a little bit. Then I went to the second time frame. As soon as seeing price, started going lower again, I was like, okay, I'm gonna enter. First entry was like, yeah, this candle here. So it was like somewhere here, and then price still pulling back. I was like, oh shit. Had my stops above here. Best case scenario, best entry would be, it would look like this. Stops above here and target this low. She probably got taken out. Well, if I got the best case entry, I would just get off at 1 to 2. So yeah, I would have been good on that. Yep. So pretty much, price did what it was doing. Pull back a little bit. Oh fuck! I keep doing this, bro. Fuck, man. So annoying, bro. So yeah, best case scenario entry would be like this. Would have hit for 1 to 2, but if you targeted this, the least you could do is go break even. So you gotta hit break even right there. But yeah. So we waited for this. Price pulled back. So when I seen it, I went to the second time frame. And seeing it started going lower. Obviously, I'm monitoring. I'm looking at ES also. ES is taking out highs. And as soon as price wanted to go lower, so okay, entered. Price pulling back a little bit again. I think it was in this candle right here. And as soon as it started going back lower, then I added more, and I just targeted. I think it was these lows right here. So I got all that 25. Yeah, somewhere here. Yep, I think it was this one. So like I said, I didn't need much. So, and yeah. Now, if this low wasn't here, then obviously I would have been looking for a trade. Like I said, these red lines that I have in my chart is very, very high probability targets. It's normally a high and a low, but I don't have the high because in this scenario it's kind of unique. I don't want to go too much into it. But most of the time, it's the same highs and lows for both ES and NQ. But in this case, it's not. So, and it really doesn't matter because I'm not looking for longs, bro. Because, like, I wouldn't be confident long in this shit. Because look at all of this here. For me to be confident with long, I need to see price close above here. And then we can target the previous day's high. Other than that, no, I don't see, I don't see longs right now. It can go both ways, but I'm leaning towards shorts. So, yeah. And also we have London low here, so that's why I wasn't really that eager for longs here. But yeah, got this it's a demo trade. I don't normally trade like I don't supposed to trade like this. So what this was is a tap here, and yeah, that's pretty much what I entered. But it's not how I'm supposed to do things. I need to wait for a tap and then a continuation, then we get in. But like I said, it's a demo, so I don't really care too much. But yeah, that account is passed. Let's see right here, and this one is almost passed. So not too bad, man. Not too bad. I'm really going slow. Like I'm aware I could just go faster and pass these accounts, but I'm trying not to rush, and at the same time, damn, I'm about to get clapped here. At the same time, for me to be doing that, bro, I would need to have a lot of money. And also, even if I have a lot of money, like I wouldn't be comfortable with doing that shit. I need to be like in the green trading wise. You know, I could have $1 million. Okay, maybe let's not exaggerate. Let's say I have like 50,000 in the bank. You know what I'm saying? I wouldn't be doing that shit unless I'm like in profit. You know, trading wise, like by a lot. For me to be doing that, so it's pretty much churning accounts and shit, which is what a lot of people do. But yeah, no, I wouldn't do that. But this looks good for a long, bro. I ain't gonna lie, if we had like Asia high here, these highs were Asia highs or London highs, or whatever the fuck. Actually, this is actually a good target. Yeah, it's a swing high inside of fair value. That's actually a decent target. So, actually we can go for a long here. You know what I'm gonna do, man? I'm about to just copy all of this shit. Boom, 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 boom. Ten accounts. Same thing here, really. Where's our target? Right here. So yeah, we pretty much just wait for tap to continue. Hold on, guys. To be honest, if we had like a really clear target up here, you could have took this trade here. Pretty much, let's just say the CISD here. Could have took this trade. This would be a very valid trade. But we gonna wait for a tap. So anywhere here. Tap continue. As long as we got that, we can enter, let's just say here, and wherever it makes the swing. That's gonna be your stop. Target that. But yeah, that's about it, man. I don't wanna spend too long here. I'm just about to go to the gym because I'm done for the day. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Oh fuck, bro. I was in the wrong chart. But yeah, pretty much. You know, we're here. Then continue. And then boom, we run it. That's it. Alright, I'll see you guys on the next one.